Hello students, it is my another lecture of biology for class 11th. In our previous lecture, we studied the chapter 2, that is tissue. We divide the tissue in two categories. First is animal tissue and plant tissue. We start with plant tissue and we divide the plant tissue in two categories. First is meristematic tissue, the tissue that can divide, and second is permanent tissue. We studied about the meristematic tissue. Now let us start with permanent tissue. So according to the definition, permanent tissue. So according to the definition, permanent tissue are those tissues which are similar in origin and similar and perform similar function, and specific thing that they do not have the ability to divide. Similar, I think this is not seen properly. That's why I write here permanent tissue. Okay, that is not seen properly. So that's similar in origin and perform same function. Okay, permanent tissue divide in two parts. First is simple permanent tissue and second is complex permanent tissue. Why they are divided into category? Because simple permanent tissue have is only one types of cell, and they do not have different types of structure. In comparatively complex permanent tissue have different types of structure and different types of cell. So let us start with simple permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue again divide in three parts. First is parenchyma. So start with parenchyma. We can easily understand with the help of a simple diagram. So the permanent tissue are round or oval shape. Sometimes round or oval shape, nucleated, live cell, nucleated, and high amount of cytoplasm. Okay, very important thing is that intercellular space intercellular space is found between two cells, two or more cells. So the structure is, if we write structure, then round or oval shape, live cell, nucleated, we already write, and high amount of cytoplasm, of cytoplasm, and intercellular space space found among the cells, and what are the function of parenchyma tissue. The main function of the parenchyma tissue is to store food material. Sometimes these parenchyma tissue generate generate chloroplast, and they are known as chlorenchyma, and perform photosynthesis. If the parenchyma tissue produce or generate chloroplast or having the chloroplast, they known as chlorenchyma, and they perform photosynthesis. Sometimes these parenchyma tissue have large air space, and they are known as parenchyma. Mostly they are found in aquatic plant, and help to float. Okay. Now the second is A, parenchyma, B, second collenchyma. Structure, we again understand the structure with the help of a diagram. These cells, the structure, these cells are sometime oval, seems oval shape, but they are basically polygonal shape. Their cell membrane become thick due to the deposition of cellulose. Just a minute, please. Due to the deposition of cellulose and pectin. This is another type of carbohydrates. Cellulose and pectin. That's why the intercellular space is not seen. Intercellular space is not present, or if the intercellular space present, that is very small, or very small intercellular space. Next, the function. The main function of the collenchyma cells is to provide mechanical strength. Mechanical strength to plant, to the soft part of plant. Means they are found in the soft part of plant, uh, like uh, like stems. Okay, next, the third category of simple permanent tissue is sclerenchyma. The sclerenchyma cells structure, they are spindle shape. Spindle shape. Their structure is very simple, just like this. If you see the transverse section, longitudinal section, then it seems spindle shape, or they are or sometimes they are also round shape. The very important thing is that they are dead cells. Why they become dead? Why they become dead? Because suppose this is a cell wall. Their cell wall become very thick due to the deposition of pectin. Sorry, pectin, not pectin, it is lignin. Their sorry, cell wall became thick due to the deposition of lignin. Lignin is another type of carbohydrate, and that's why the cellular space become very small. And the second important thing, between the cell wall, the some pits are also seen. Through these pits, the cytoplasm came out from the cell. That's why they become dead. But they are very strong, and they provide mechanical strength. Function, provide mechanical strength to plant. So now here we study, easily studied about the simple permanent tissue. There are three types of parenchyma, collenchyma, and finally sclerenchyma. Okay, in our next video we will study about the complex tissue. Okay, thank you.